Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it, guys. In this video, I'm gonna go over the Bitcoin update. Looks like Bitcoin is getting ready to blast off again, guys. Don't doubt Bitcoin. It did make a new all-time high of 95K, and it's getting ready to blast off. Also, I'm gonna quickly go over XRP and XLM, and talk about Nvidia's third quarter record earnings, and a little bit of the news. Alright guys, let's get right into it. Like always, I like to start off with the bubbles, see what the day is looking like. It looks like it's a red day today, guys. Most of the bubbles are red, just very few are in the green. Looks like GOAT is the biggest loser. It's down negative 24.3 for the day. Then we got Peanut, it's down 17.1% for the day. Bonk is 15.4% for the day. And Popcat, the crazy little cat, is 12.3 down for the day. And the biggest winner is Floki, guys. It's up 11.1% for the day. In case you guys didn't know, it did get listed today on Coinbase. Floki is now listed on Coinbase. It is not live yet at the time of recording right now, but it'll probably be live by the time you see this video, because they just listed it, but it's about to go live, probably within a few hours, later tonight or something. It'll go live. If not, but it should be live by tomorrow, guys. So yeah, expect Floki to have a surge, and then it might retrace a little bit. But if Bitcoin starts pumping, then Floki is gonna run hard like Bitcoin too, especially with the new Coinbase listing. And then other side news, Kaspa also just got listed on Kraken. So Kaspa got listed on Kraken. If you're a KAS holder, that's good news for you guys. Kaspa is probably going to get a lot of attention because of the new listing on Kraken. Current price of Kaspa is 14 cents. But it'll probably go up here pretty soon, as Bitcoin starts breaking into higher prices, guys, as well as Floki and the rest of the market, guys. Yeah, guys. So take this red day as a good day to buy the dip. Good day to dollar cost average to DCA, guys. Don't be fooled. Bitcoin's getting ready to blast off. So if you have some dry powder on the side, it'd be a good idea to buy this dip, guys, before these prices go higher, guys. Now let's get right into the Bitcoin update, guys. Current price of Bitcoin is 94,948 at the time of recording. Like I said, it did tap 95,000 just a few hours ago, so it did make a new all-time high of 95,020 cents. So basically, we're tapping 95. It looks like we're gonna break right through it here anytime soon, maybe later tonight or by tomorrow. We're probably gonna blast through 95,000, guys. Yeah, remain bullish on Bitcoin, guys. Right now, it's not the time to get bearish on Bitcoin. It is the beginning of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin, so do not get bearish on Bitcoin, guys. We've been making ever since the Black Monday low of August 5th. We've been making nothing but higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then this current high of 95,000 we just made, guys. And we might make a higher low here, maybe retrace to like 94,000 or even 93,000 dollars before we blast off again, guys. But don't be fooled. If you've been watching my previous videos, take a look at my previous videos. I go into give a more in-depth analysis on the Bitcoin chart, but today I'll do it more quickly. Basically, a Bitcoin is going to keep rallying all the way to sometime between November 29 and December 2nd is what I've been saying. And it's going to top off somewhere around between 100,000 at least. And I see it realistically topping off right around local top. It's not going to be like the last top. It's not going to be like it's going to top off and then we're going to go into a bear market. No, it's going to be a local top. We're going to correct and then we're going to consolidate and go make higher prices. But yeah, I see a local top coming in around November 29, between November 29 and December 2nd, and the price is going to be somewhere between 100,000 and 120,000. But don't be surprised, it could get as high as 140K. So I for sure see Bitcoin, being around 100K by November 29. But it could go as high as 120 and maybe even 140,000 by December 2nd, guys. So sometime between this November 29 and December 2nd, expect Bitcoin price between 100K and maybe 120K, but don't be surprised. It could even go as high as 140K, guys. As I've explained it before, guys, every time Bitcoin goes into price discovery from the previous all-time high, which was in the November 6th on this cycle, the previous all-time high was the 73,600. It takes about 3 to 4 weeks for Bitcoin. It rallies about 100%, and then it tops off, and then it corrects for about 2 to 3 weeks once it tops off, and it does like a 20 to 30% correction. So I'm thinking, since it's going to do a 100% move from November 6th, the previous all-time high of 73,000, it could get as high as 140,000 between November 29th to December 2nd. November 6th, 3 weeks from that would be, like right around, like November 27th. And 4 weeks from that would be somewhere around like December 2nd, December 3rd, right around there. So yeah, sometime around there, guys. Bitcoin, I do see it making a local top, and then it's gonna make like a 20 to 30% correction, guys. Last time it did a 30% correction, so this time it might be 30%, or I'm thinking it might be a little bit less, because the market is very bullish. So I'm just calling somewhere between a 20 to 30% correction once Bitcoin tops off somewhere around in November 29th to December 2nd, December 3rd, in that time frame, guys. And the Bitcoin price in that time frame is going to be between 100K to up all the way up to 140K, guys. So yeah, so that's what I'm calling 120K, right around there, but it could be a little bit less or a little bit higher than 120K, guys. So yeah, guys, that was a quick Bitcoin update. Remain bullish on it. Bitcoin's about to blast off. As you can see, we've just been making higher highs, higher lows. Nothing bearish in the chart. Don't doubt Bitcoin. We're in the parabolic phase of Bitcoin, so do not get bearish on Bitcoin. Now, a quick update on XRP. XRP is just going sideways, consolidating, and made that all-time high of 130 on November 16. Just been going sideways, and it's getting ready for the next leg up, guys. XRP follows Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin goes to price discovery, that's when XRP also starts going into higher prices, guys. So I also see XRP reaching around $1.50 to $1.60 by within a week, guys. So anytime maybe here by November 24, XRP, I could see it being around $1.50 to $1.60, guys. Sometime between November 24, or you give it a few days, after, I see XRP topping off around $1.50 to $1.60, and after that, it's going to have a correction too. Now, the size of the correction, I think it's going to be right around 30%. The previous cycle of 2020, it made a 75% correction, but that was because it was being suppressed by the Ripple and SEC case. But this time, it's very bullish. Gary Gensler is going to be fired, or he's going to resign. Donald Trump's in office. He's more pro-crypto president, and the Ripple SEC case is most likely to be settled or thrown out here pretty soon, at least by the time Donald Trump takes office. So definitely, I could see only a 30% correction instead of a 75% correction from last cycle, guys. So yeah, be bullish on XRP. Again, I do see XRP making a $1.50 to $1.60 price top, local top, sometime within a week. I'm shooting for November 24, but it could be a few days after that. So sometime around November 24, or all the way up to Thanksgiving, I could see XRP hitting a price target of $1.50, $1.60, making a local top, and then doing around a 30% correction, guys. So if it makes a local top around $1.50, it could correct all the way down to $1. But I do not see it going any lower than $1. I think you could kiss $1. You could kiss under $1 goodbye, guys. I don't think we'll see $1 or less prices for XRP, guys, or under $1. I don't think prices under $1 for XRP are in the cards anymore. I think it's going to moon, and I do see it getting as high as $15 at the top of the bull run cycle, guys. I do, check out my XRP and XLM price prediction. I go more in depth on the price prediction, but I do see XRP topping off right around $15 sometime in March 15 of 2025. Right around there. It could be between March 15 to April 15 is when I see the top of the XRP bull run coming in. Around $15, give or take a few dollars, guys. Now let's get right into XLM. Quick update, guys. And like I said, XRP follows Bitcoin, and XLM follows XRP. XLM, I call XLM its little brother of XRP because it always follows XRP, but it doesn't mean it's any less than XRP. I love both XLM and XRP. I think they are equals. They are both my favorites. You guys might have favorites, and that's okay, but to me, they're both my favorites, guys. Now, on XLM, it's just been going, sideways, ranging, between like 27 cents and like, 22 cents for the last couple days. I had a price target around 27 cents to 30 cents by November 25th for XLM. If you guys want to watch my videos, looks like we hit that 27 cents target, but I think we're going to go higher, guys, because it's just like XRP. I do see it topping off somewhere around November 25th or a few days after, a little bit after XRP, always a day after or shortly after XRP tops off, then XLM tops off. XLM follows XRP. That's what I have noticed in the charts, guys. So just the same, I think XRP is going to top off somewhere between 27 cents and 30 cents sometime around November 25th, or a few days after. So we're right in line with the chart here. Nothing but higher highs and higher lows. So remain bullish on XLM too, guys. XLM is just making higher prices, and I keep expecting, I expect the XLM rally to continue until November 25th or a few days after that. So about another week, guys, another 5 to 7 days, I do see XLM rallying. And then, around November 25th, I do see XLM making a local top, and then doing the same like XRP, maybe like a 30% correction right around there, guys. So yeah, guys, XLM, I see it topping off around November 25th. Give or take a couple days, and it's going to be right around 27 cents to 30 cents where it tops off. Might even go a little bit higher, guys, because it already tapped 27 cents. So it might go higher than 30 cents here within a week. We might see like a 33 cents XLM, guys. So but at least between 27 cents and 30 cents has been my price target for November 25th for XLM before it does its correction, guys. So yeah, guys, keep stay bullish on XLM. It's going to keep rallying for another 5 days to 7 days, and then it will have a correction, guys. But so far so good, guys. Remain bullish on Bitcoin, XRP, and XLM, guys. Now let's go into the Nvidia earnings. It looks like Nvidia earnings had a record Q3 earnings, but besides, in spite of the record earnings, the stock of Nvidia still slumped a little bit. Not that much, but just a little bit. But it looks like the earnings were awesome. Nvidia reported 81 cents adjusted earnings per share, or 19.3 billion net income in the 3-month period ending last month, basically Q3 of this year, topping average analyst projections of 75 cents earnings per share, or 17.4 billion net income. So basically, everybody was estimating 75 cents earnings per share, but it got as high as 81 earnings per share, and everybody expected 17.4 billion net income for Q3, but they actually got 19.3 billion net income for Q3. So yeah, guys, the semiconductor chip architect generated 35.1 billion in sales, crushing estimates of 33.2 billion. So yeah, guys, the earnings came in better than expected. So Nvidia indicated growth will continue in the fourth quarter, guiding for about 37.5 billion in revenue compared to consensus forecast of 37.09. So yeah, guys, Nvidia is just projecting to keep continuing, making more sales and making more revenue for stockholders. So the earnings were good on Nvidia. So how did that do for the AI coins, guys? I was correct on saying that the Nvidia earnings were gonna be good, and I thought maybe the AI coins would rally a little bit, but it looks like they just they haven't been doing much, just kind of been going sideways. I mean, they dipped a little bit. I mean, like near protocol, like dipped 2% in the last 24 hours. So that ICP render had a little bit more dip of 5% in the last 24 hours. But for the last hour, they're just going sideways. 0.54% up for near the last hour. Internet computers basically the same for the last hour. Renders up 21% for the last hour. So I mean, it's kind of just going sideways, guys. Maybe the AI coins dipped just a little bit on the news. Turbo seems to have dipped the most, 7% last 24 hours. But it's already green in the last hour. So it might just be like an initial small dip on the AI coins. But don't be fooled. Sometimes the market makers do that. There's like good news, like quarter 3 earnings on Nvidia. They'll make the AI coins dip a little bit, but then they'll recover. Arkham, on the other hand, has been doing good. 2.93% in the last 24 hours. I told you guys to watch out for Arkham. It's already up 1.27% up for the hour and 2.97% up for 24 hours for the day. I told you guys to watch out for Arkham yesterday. You guys would have seen my video. I think that's going to be a good coin. Still a good time. If you have some dry powder on the side, might be a good time to buy Arkham. I mean, Nvidia is making record numbers, just crushing it, and they're expected to crush quarter 4. So once Bitcoin starts rallying, I do expect the AI coins to rally hard because Nvidia is doing really good. But this goes to show, guys, that what really drives the crypto market is Bitcoin. I mean, the news, like Nvidia earnings and everything, that drives it a little bit. But the major factor is Bitcoin, guys. Just like all the crypto cycles, that's why we gotta not listen too much to the news, to the media, to all the noise out there, and we gotta just focus on Bitcoin and the crypto cycle, because that's the real, Bitcoin is really what drives the market, guys. Bitcoin is the father, and the altcoins are the children of Bitcoin. That's why all the altcoins follow Bitcoin. So yeah, guys, right now it's the Bitcoin show. The dominance still hasn't dropped off. I'll come back to the AI coins. Let me just show you the dominance on the Bitcoin. It's still pretty high. I believe it was like 59 or 58. Let me see. I'm pulling it up right now. Yeah, Bitcoin. Oh, it went up. See, Bitcoin dominance went up to 60%. I guess because Bitcoin is just making a new all-time high right now as we speak. At time of recording, Bitcoin is crushing it. It's right now at 95,427. So the Bitcoin price is going up, guys. Right now as we speak, right now it's 95,391. It just broke over the 95,000 all-time high. So Bitcoin is making a current all-time high, a new all-time high as we speak right now, guys. So let's see. Let me go to the chart real quick. See how high it's getting. Yeah, it's 95,466. So yep, we're basically right under 95,500, guys. We're probably gonna crush through it, guys. I told you guys, Bitcoin is blasting off. Bitcoin is blasting off, guys. So that's why the Bitcoin dominance just went up to 60%, and that's why it's the Bitcoin show. Just like all other cycles, Bitcoin goes up first, and once Bitcoin ends the rally, right around November 29 that I've been saying, it's probably gonna do a 30% correction, and that's when the altcoins will start popping off again, guys. So it's just you're still in time to buy altcoins, guys. Buy your favorite altcoins before they start mooning, because once Bitcoin rallies and starts correcting, after the correction, or during, once the correction is done for Bitcoin and it starts going sideways, consolidating, that's when the altcoin seasons might be the beginning of the altcoin season. Random sectors of altcoins might pop off. The AI coins may start popping off right away because Nvidia had good earnings, so the AI coins might start popping off Oh wow, look, Bitcoin's already at 96,658. Bitcoin is 95,650. I mean, yeah. So Bitcoin is blasting off, guys. It's Bitcoin's at $95,650, guys. Bitcoin is blasting off during the live stream right now, guys. I told you guys, Bitcoin is blasting off. Do not be bullish on Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies right now. No matter what the media or the war narrative or the recession or whatever, all the bears out there, getting bearish on Bitcoin and crypto market. Do not get bearish on Bitcoin and the crypto market, guys. It is not the time. Right now, it's the parabolic bull run phase of Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies. And look at that, guys. It's already at 95,757. The new all-time high for Bitcoin. It's gotten as high as 95,077. I think we might even crush it, guys. I believe we're going to crush 96,000 by the time I finish this video, guys. Like I said, if you guys would have listened to my other videos, after 94,000, I said my next price target was 98,000. So right now my next price target is for 98,000. So we might, tap 98,000 as soon as this little rally is over, and then consolidate a little bit. But for sure, by November 29, guys, I do see Bitcoin topping off over 100,000. Realistically around 120,000, but it could be as high as 140,000, guys, because Bitcoin every 4 years, once it breaks price discovery price, it does a 100% rally for 3 to 4 weeks. So when it broke the on November 6th, it broke the previous all-time high of 73.6. It went into price discovery. If you don't know, price discovery means breaking the current all-time high. So once it broke 73,600 on November 6th, it takes about 3 to 4 weeks, and it does a 100% move. So that's why I'm thinking somewhere between November 29 and December 2nd, Bitcoin could be as high as $140,000, guys. It could. That's what it's done before, and that's probably what it's going to do. But for sure, I'm being conservative. I'm pretty sure it'll be above 100K and most likely 120K, but it could be as high as 140K once this rally is done, guys. This 100% move from 73K, 100% rally could be as high as 140,000, guys. And I do see the local top coming in around November 29 to December 2nd, guys. And then it's going to do a 30% correction, guys, like I already said before, guys. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on Bitcoin. I'll keep an eye on the Bitcoin chart, but I was talking about the AI coins here, guys. Like I said, guys, look at that. The AI coins are already bouncing back up, guys. See, Nvidia had good earnings. It looks like it was just a quick dip, like the market maker likes to do. To shake all the weekends out, scare everybody out of the market. But I just like I said yesterday, I was pretty sure Nvidia was going to have record earnings. I was telling you guys that it might be a good time to pick up the AI coins because Nvidia has good earnings. That means the AI coins are going to start mooning too. Might not be right away. Nothing goes right away. But it shows that whenever Bitcoin starts moving and the altcoins start moving, I believe the AI coins are going to run hard, guys. Look at Arcam. It's already up to 3% up for the day. And I also mentioned LimeWire and Turbo. Let me go to Turbo and see how they're doing. So yeah, pick your favorite AI coin, guys. Where's Turbo? Actually, Turbo's up here. I was going the wrong way. See, Turbo's already up. It's already recovering. It's already up 2.49% for the last hour. It was down as much as like 8% down for the day, but it's only down 6% for the day. So Turbo's making a comeback right now with the Bitcoin rally. Let's see. Aether's up 2% up for the day. Cadena's up 3% up for the day. So yeah, and pick your favorite AI coin, guys, because right now the Bitcoin is rallying. As soon as all the altcoins start rallying after Bitcoin is done with this rally, I think the AI coins are going to run, guys, because of the Nvidia earnings, guys. Nvidia had record earnings, so I think the AI coins are going to run. See, look at LimeWire, guys. LimeWire is starting to run. It's up 53 cents up the last hour, guys. Token 5, I told you to look out for Token 5. I mean, they're great prices right now, guys. Florida, just going kind of sideways. It's down 0.44 for the day. If you have some dry powder, guys, it might be a good time to pick up some TokenFi or some Florida or some LimeWire. They're all like AI coin, guys, or some Turbo. If you're a meme coin guy, Turbo would be great. I think Turbo is going to do awesome this cycle because it's got the meme narrative and the AI narrative. And I also like Arcam. I think Arcam is going to be good for this cycle too. It's a security blockchain where they prevent hacks, and they could have, if you get hacked, they could find out who hacked you. And it's all AI software generated, so it's got the AI narrative too, guys. So take a look at Arcam. Do your own research, guys. Do not buy or sell any coin because I say so, or because anybody says so, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. And, only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys, and do your own research, guys. So yeah, guys, looks like the AI coins are recovering. Looks like they had a small dip. Just a market maker doing what they do best. Nvidia has great earnings. They do a quick dip to scare everybody out of the market, and now they're probably going to start surging, guys. So keep an eye on the AI coins. With Nvidia having great earnings, I believe the AI coins are going to start surging too, guys. And Bitcoin price keeps mooning, guys. We're making new highs. We're now the new all-time high is 95,771. So we're grinding up, guys. We're grinding upwards, making higher highs. So yeah, guys, we're already at 95.8 at the time of recording, guys. So new all-time high for Bitcoin, 95,846. So it just keeps going up, guys. How high is it going to go? 95,860 now. I do think we're going to break 96,000 by the time I'm done with this recording, guys. But guys, like I said on the title, Bitcoin is blasting off, guys. Do not doubt Bitcoin right now, guys. Do not get bearish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. We're in the parabolic phase of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market, guys. Do not, you can't fade Bitcoin and crypto right now, guys. Do not listen to the bears. Don't listen to the FUD out there with the war narrative and the recession narrative. Bitcoin, it's about to crash narrative. Don't doubt that, guys. People are saying that the top's going to come in right now. The local top, that Bitcoin's going to have the correction right now. But like I said, Bitcoin's going to keep rallying until about November 29, guys. So whatever price it is right now, the Bitcoin price is going to be higher in November 29, guys. It's going to keep rallying. I do think it's going to get above 100,000, most likely 120K by November 29. And there is a possible chance it could even hit 140K by November 29. Give or take a few days. Somewhere between November 29 to 100. Somewhere between November 29 and December 2nd, Bitcoin could be as high as 120K and maybe even as high as 140K. But for sure, it'll be over 100K. That I could almost guarantee. I mean, nothing is guaranteed, but I could almost guarantee that, guys. But yeah, guys, don't fade Bitcoin. Bitcoin is rallying. The new all-time high is 95,857, 859 now. We just keep making new all-time highs, 95,865 now. So we just keep making new all-time highs for Bitcoin, guys. I do believe we're gonna break 96K by the time I'm done recording this video, guys. Okay, I'll come back to the Bitcoin chart, but on some other news, guys. Let's see. I wanted to show you guys. Looks like Donald Trump. He wants to create a White House position. Just to focus on crypto and just to report to him solely. A lot of people are calling it the position the crypto Czar. So who's going to be the crypto Czar, guys? Let's read this article real quick. So it looks like the United States President-elect Donald Trump is considering creating a new White House post dedicated entirely to cryptocurrency policy. Trump's team is talking to industry executives to decide whether the role is needed. It also reportedly is vetting potential candidates, including Trump's residence in Mar-a-Lago. The role would be the first ever crypto-specific White House post. It highlights the crypto industry's prominent role in the Trump's administration. So It looks like the Trump won over crypto voters by promising to make America the world's crypto capital and to halt regulatory crackdowns on the industry. Yeah, it looks like Trump is keeping up with his promises. Looks like he is going to be pro crypto. It says it is unclear if the role will be a White House staff position or a crypto czar to coordinate policy among federal agencies, but crypto industry advocates are pushing for the role to report directly to Trump. This person is reportedly expected to direct a small staff and mediate between Trump, Congress, and various federal agencies, including the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC. Executives including Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, former Coinbase executive Brian Brooks, met with Trump on November 19, that's yesterday. So Trump's transition team is considering current and former CFTC officials to chair the financial regulatory agency. So it looks like Summer Mersinger, Republican CFT commissioner, who has urged the regulator to take a more accommodating stance on crypto, is among those under consideration to chair the agency. So yeah, guys, it looks like maybe Summer Mersinger is going to be the crypto czar, guys, or maybe the Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong. Who knows, guys? As long as we have a crypto czar, that's good, though. That's good news, guys. That's great news for crypto and Bitcoin and your favorite cryptocurrency, guys. Looks like Donald Trump is, he's keeping his promises to be a pro crypto president, and he wants to make the USA the number one the crypto capital of the world, guys. That's good news for us, guys. I've also read some articles where basically Donald Trump is considering maybe even having no capital gains tax on cryptos that are American made. So basically if crypto is American, they're definitely like XRP for example. XRP is an American company, so all capital gains on XRP, there wouldn't be any capital gains on XRP cryptocurrency gains, guys. So any any crypto that's based out of the USA or is basically an American crypto, it's not in effect yet, but Trump is saying that he's considering having zero capital gains for cryptos that are American made, guys. That would be awesome. I believe Solana is also American made. XRP is American made, and there's other ones out there too, guys, but XRP and Solana are the ones I know for sure that are American made. So if Donald Trump does get to pass that law where there will be no capital gains on American made cryptos, that would be good for XRP and Solana and any other crypto that is American made. And that would also a lot of crypto companies will probably start flourishing in the USA. So there won't be no capital gains, because that's going to make investors want to invest in 0% capital gains cryptos. And even current cryptos, they might migrate from out of the USA and back into the USA, guys. So that's awesome, guys, because there's been a lot of cryptos that have left the USA because the SEC and their all their attacks on crypto. But now if with Donald Trump being pro crypto, a lot of crypto might come back. A lot of crypto companies and firms might come back to the USA. A lot of developers will start developing cryptos in the USA, and we could take advantage of that, because there'll be if that law passes, if Donald Trump is able to pass that law where he could put 0% capital gains on crypto made an American made cryptos, guys. So that would be awesome, guys. That would be awesome, guys. Yeah, guys. So yep, Bitcoin keeps rallying, guys. Current price of Bitcoin is 95,765. We keep making new all-time highs, guys. So yeah, guys. Let's see the crypto bubbles. Let's see if there's any altcoins popping off right now. Let me go to the hour. See if anything's starting to move. Let me see. We got gold is recovering in the hour. The last 24 hour. Last hour, not 24 hours. Last 1 hour. Gold is up 7.2%. What else is up? Everything's up in the last hour, guys. So it looks like Bitcoin is starting to moon, and it's pulling the altcoins with it. It's bringing the altcoins up with it. We got what else is up? Pepe's up 4% in the last hour. Floki 3.9%. We got WIF 3.9%. MOGS 3.9%. All the meme coins starting to run because Bitcoin is running. So yeah, guys. Like I was trying to tell you guys in all my videos, do not get bearish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, guys. Right now it's not the time to get bearish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Let's see where XRP and XLM is. I'm looking for them. Here's XRP. XRP is up 2.3% up for the last hour. It's at $1.10, but it's starting to great tick up in the last hour. XLM is up 1.2% in the last hour. It's at 24 cents. So yeah, guys, everything is going up. Even BCH is 4.3 up in the last hour. Injective 2.5. Flare for the XRP ecosystem is up 3.2% up for the last hour. Popcat, the crazy little cat, 2.4% up in the last hour. VeChain is up 3.6% in the last hour. Crow, for you Crow fans. I also love Crow. I love all cryptocurrencies, guys. I mean, I really I don't dislike or hate any cryptocurrency. I love them all, guys. If it could make me money, I love them, guys. That's just the way I roll, guys. I love all cryptocurrencies. But I do have some favorites, like XRP, XLM, Bitcoin, Avalanche, Solana, Jasmine, XCN, and I like the meme coins. I like Popcat, the crazy little cat. I like Floki, the people's crypto. I do like Pepe and WIF also. But I do like all cryptocurrencies, guys. I love them all. I'm just an investor. I trade to make money. I don't fall in love with the cryptos, but I do have some favorites, guys. Alright, guys, so everything is up in the day, guys. Let's see what the Bitcoin price is. It's probably higher now. Yep, Bitcoin price is 95,833 as we speak, guys. So yep, the prices keeps going higher and higher, guys. How high can we get? I'll stay on a little bit more, see if we could break 96,000. Hopefully we could break 96,000 for Bitcoin. But it looks like we are, guys. Looks like any time we're gonna break 96,000, guys. Now let's look at the AI coins. See how the AI coins are doing. Let me refresh it. See how they're doing. Yep, everything was red just over an hour ago. Now look at that. All the AI coins in your protocol is up 2.60% for the last hour. ICP is up 1.69% in the last hour. Render 1.72% in the last hour. BitTensor Tau 0.06 up in the last hour. FET 1.84% in the last hour. Injective 2.54% in the last hour. So they're all going up, guys. Let's see here. Turbo is up 2.66% for the last hour. Where's Arcam? 2.41% last hour. So yeah, all the AI coins are going up though. Just about all of them are green in the hour, guys. Just one or two, a couple of them are red, but most of them are green. So do not miss out on the AI coins because the Nvidia earnings were great. They were record Nvidia earnings. So I do think the AI coins are gonna start running, guys. So as soon as Bitcoin keeps running and consolidates, it's gonna keep running, guys. And then once it it consolidates, once it corrects and consolidates, I do think it's gonna be the beginning of the altcoin season. And I do think one of the narratives that's gonna run hard is the AI coins because the Nvidia are record earnings, guys. So don't miss out on the AI coins, guys. If you don't know which AI coins to pick, just go to coinmarketcap.com and then click here on AI, this little symbol here, AI, and that'll take you to the all the AI coins. and there you go. You have like hundreds of AI coins to choose from, guys. But the top three in market cap is Near Protocol, ICP, and Render. I mean, don't miss out on Near and ICP and Render. They're the top three AI coins, and I do see a lot of upside for them. And if you want lower market cap plays for AI coins, like I've told you before, Turbo. I like Turbo for lower market cap AI coins. Arcam, I think those two are going to do great. And some even lower market cap, I don't know if you would call them microcaps. Some microcap picks for AIs that I would recommend. You don't have to, you don't have to buy them because I say so, guys. This is just the ones I like. I'm not really recommending anything. I'm just showing you what I like, really, because I'm not a financial advisor, guys. But some of the plays I'm invested in is LimeWire, only at 55% market cap. 17 cents. It just turned narrative into AI. So I like LimeWire, I like Forda, and I like TokenFi. Those are my low market cap, like low micro cap picks for AI, guys. And my mid caps picks for AI are I mean, there's a lot of good AI guys, like ArcBlock and AOS, but they already ran a lot, guys. I mean, if you would have bought ArcBlock at 8 cents, I mean, you'd be up a lot. But I'm just saying, if you're getting into it now, if you're already holding ArcBlock and AOS, then keep holding them though, because they're gonna go up in the in the bull run, so you're gonna make a lot of gains. Prime, all these are good. Good coins that already run up a lot. Where's AOS? See, AOS I like a lot, but the time to buy AOS was when it was a penny. Now it's already at 76 cents. If you hold AOS as a penny, keep holding. You're gonna make a lot of money. But I'm just saying, if you're getting in now, my mid cap picks are Arcam and Turbo. My micro cap picks, like I said earlier, if you're getting in now, are TokenFi, Forda, and LimeWire. Mid caps, Arcam and Turbo. And then, and if you're getting in now, if you want some big caps, more stable, for sure they're not gonna go to zero, is Near Protocol, ICP, Internet Computer, and Render. Those three are gonna run hard, because especially Render with the connected with the GPU narrative with Nvidia, guys. But so is ICP and Near, guys. But all the AI coins are gonna run, guys. Those are just my favorites. Really, pick an AI coin and they're gonna run, guys. But you guys choose your favorites and you guys do what you guys think is best for yourself. Let's see about Bitcoin's at 96,000 yet. It looks like it's almost at 96K, guys. It's at 95,959 as we speak. I'm gonna stay until I'm gonna stay a few more minutes. Hopefully it breaks 96K. I mean, I can't stay here forever, but if it hits 96K, I think it's about to right now, guys. Let's see, 95,988. Let's see if it breaks 96K. Let's see. Come on, 96K, 95,924, 95,949. Yep, it's about to go past 95,978. It's about to break 96K, guy. Yeah, guys. Right now is the time to invest in cryptos. If you're waiting for a massive correction, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, I mean, I wouldn't wait, guys, because Bitcoin's not going to correct until it gets to like 120K or 140K. And even if it corrects like a 30% correction, it'll be right around like the same price it is right now or higher. Okay, let's just say Bitcoin's 140,000 and it corrects 30%. Let's see, that would be like so that would be like like a 95,000. So it'll be the same price it is right now. And how about if it only corrects 20%? If Bitcoin hits 140K and it only corrects 20%, then you're only looking like like at like it'll be like 104,000, right around there, like 100 like 105, 110,000, whatever the math is, guys. So the price would actually be higher, guys. So it's not a good I wouldn't be waiting for a correction on Bitcoin to get in. If you're waiting for Bitcoin to do a massive correction, I think that's what you should not be doing. Just get in now, because Bitcoin's not going to correct until like sometime in November 29 to December 2nd, and by then the price could be 140,000. It might not even correct that hard. Maybe it just as a 20% correction, guys. and then the price would only be like, like 110,000 after the correction. So I mean, you might as well get in now at 95,000 when it's lower, because the actual correction, if you're waiting for a correction on Bitcoin, the correction price might be higher than it is right now, guys. And same thing with cryptocurrencies, guys. If you're waiting for cryptocurrencies to correct, but the time they correct, the price is probably going to be higher than they are right now, guys. Right now, there's a lot of cryptocurrencies that are in massive discounts, guys. Definitely buy them right now before you miss out, and they're going to be like 50% more on price, or even up to 100% higher prices, because the altcoin season is right around the corner, guys. I think the altcoin season is going to start sometime in December. As soon as Bitcoin rallies, once the first rally for Bitcoin, once it tops off around 120, 140K, and it corrects, it's going to consolidate a little bit. And during that consolidation is when I think the Bitcoin dominance will drop, and then the altcoin season will start, guys. So let's look at the Bitcoin dominance real quick. It was 60% just a few minutes ago when I checked. Let's see if it went up right now, since Bitcoin is rallying. Let's see, it's still at 60.40%, guys. But yeah, I see the altcoin season starting once it gets around 55% dominance. Once the Bitcoin dominance gets around 55%, that's when I think the altcoin season is going to start, guys. And that's probably going to be sometime in December, probably like the first week of December. Once Bitcoin tops off and corrects and starts consolidating, that's when the altcoin season is going to start. Let's look at the Bitcoin price. Did it break 96? We're right almost there, guys. 90. I think it tapped 96. There it is. 96,000, guys. We made it to 96K, guys. Is it gonna tap 96 and correct a little bit, like 1 or 2%, or is it gonna keep going to 97? Remember, guys, my next price target is 98. I think it'll probably it might hit 98,000 by later tonight, if not by tomorrow, guys. I do see Bitcoin tapping 98,000, guys. But for sure, we already tapped 96,000, guys, during the live stream. Let's see if we could make 96,000 a base. Let's make 96,000 support, guys. Yep. Let's make 96,000 support. Let's not come under 96 somehow on Bitcoin. Blasting off. Bitcoin is blasting off as we speak, guys. Just like the title says, Bitcoin is blasting off. So you do not want to miss out, guys. Bitcoin is blasting off. All right, guys. When we made it to 96,000, guys, just stay, stay bullish on the market. Stay bullish on Bitcoin. Stay bullish on XRP. Stay bullish on XLM. Stay bullish on your favorite cryptocurrency. Stay bullish on the AI coins. Might be a good time to get into the AI coins because of the Nvidia earnings. They had record earnings for Q3. So, as soon as these altcoins keep rallying, I think the AI narrative is going to rally hard, guys. So it might be a good time to get into some AI coins. And again, Floki just got listed on Coinbase. So it might be a good time to get into Floki. I don't think it's live yet, but it is listed on there, and it's about to go live at any time. And Caspa just got listed on Kraken. So yeah, Caspa and Floki might be some good coins to look into also too, guys. But again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell any coin because I said so or because anybody says so. Do your own research and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys. But for sure, guys, remain bullish on Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. We're in the parabolic bull run phase of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So it's the time to be bullish and not the time to be bearish, guys. And just again, in case you missed it earlier, guys, my Bitcoin target, my next price target is 98,000 here probably at any time, maybe tomorrow or the next day. But for sure by November 29, sometime between November 29 and December 2nd, I do see Bitcoin being around 120K and maybe even up to 140K, guys. That's my Bitcoin price targets, guys. All right, guys. Well, I've been online on stream for a while now, guys. You guys enjoy the Bitcoin rally and get into your favorite cryptocurrency or Bitcoin before it's too late, guys. Before Bitcoin goes to the moon and your favorite cryptocurrency goes to the moon. So don't be that guy that hesitated and didn't buy now and was waiting for a massive correction and then misses out on the massive gains, guys. Don't be that guy. The time to get in is right now. Alright guys, well, hope you guys liked the video. Stay bullish on Bitcoin in the crypto market. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's make this channel grow. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.